Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to find all your post reviews on the Facebook app on PC using the new Facebook update. If you've been trying to locate your reviews and can't find them because the layout has changed, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps and you'll get there in a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on your profile photo to open the account menu. After the menu appears, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This section contains different account management tools and privacy options. When you open it, you'll see more settings related to your Facebook activity and account information. Next, go to Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook stores your account activity, including posts, comments, reactions, and reviews. It helps you manage everything connected to your account in one place. Inside the Activity Log, click on your Facebook activity. This section organizes your activity into categories, so it's easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Scroll through the available options until you find Posts. Click on Posts and then enter the Reviews section. Here, you'll be able to see all your post reviews in one place. You can check older reviews, manage your activity, and review interactions connected to your Facebook post whenever you want. That's all you need to do to find all your post reviews on Facebook using the latest PC update. The new layout may look a little different, but once you know where the settings are located, the process becomes very easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Facebook tips, tutorials, and updated guides.